What's the meaning of axis? Axis. Axis.
Axis. Axis. The term axis typically refers to an imaginary line around which an object rotates or spins. In mathematical terms, an axis is a straight line around which points can be rotated to create a new position. The concept of an axis is used across a wide range of fields, including science, mathematics, engineering, and physics. It is an important concept for understanding rotational motion, symmetrical shapes, and coordinate systems. Ultimately, the idea of an axis helps us to better understand how objects move and interact with each other in physical space.